Hey singers, Kathleen here from California, proud member of the Songbird tribe, member of the Vocal Revolution. I love the Vocal Revolution program. I looked at a lot of different programs online to learn to sing because as a beginner, I was kind of dipping my toe in the water. I was kind of too self-conscious to really have one-on-one lessons, but I really did desperately have that dream to not just not cringe when I sang, but have a voice I could be proud of. So I became a member of the Vocal Revolution. I signed up. What I love is that I have it for life. I can go through the lessons, which are beautifully laid out in an order that will help you build a really solid foundation. To let you in on a little secret, after a while on the Vocal Revolution, I was loving it so much, I signed up for one-on-one lessons. And as a student of Kerri's one-on-one now, I can honestly tell you that the dedication, knowledge, and encouragement that Kerri brings to her one-on-one lessons are also what she gives you in the Vocal Revolution. She has great techniques that she knows how to build on to help you reach your fullest potential. And what I love about the Vocal Revolution is if you don't feel you're ready to progress, you can just keep continuing on the same lesson, and you can do it at your own pace, which is really wonderful too. It's full of technique and information, and every lesson will help you progress. What's more is you have Kerri with her incredible, joyful personality and encouraging, kind nature guiding you every step of the way. It is a really good investment for anyone who is serious about wanting to really learn to get grounded, take flight, and sing. Can't wait to hear you, Songbird.